Hey everybody, Hugo Castrillon here with this week's video tidbit. And what we're going to talk about is the holiday season and how that impacts real estate. So, we're in mid-November, December's just around the corner. It always shows up faster than we'd like it to. But I know a lot of people out there looking to either buy or sell a home want to completely avoid this time of year. And conventional wisdom will be that no, spring is the best time. And, statistically, spring is the highest number of sales because most people wait to spring to put their properties on the market. And spring tends to be when we see some price increases again, because a lot of people are putting their house on the market. There's a lot of supply and demand, so that drives that. But if you're buying a home, now might be the absolute best time for you to buy a home. And here's why. Because anybody selling a home right now, well, if you think about it this way, who wants to go through showing their home and selling their home during the season, during the holidays? Nobody wants that. People who are selling their home right now are going to be people who are motivated, people who have a real reason to sell their home. So either they have another property that they need to move into, they have some sort of job transfer, or some life event that's causing them to move. As a buyer, you can ask the right questions. Your agent can ask the right questions to find out what that motivation is. And that puts you in a fantastic negotiating position. So now you know that they need to make a move. And I mean, we're not here to exploit people, but at the same time, we're here to gather information and put ourselves in the best position we possibly can. So again, for buying, this can be an absolute great time. Now, for selling, I know some of you might say, well, I have to sell right now, my God, and that's, people are going to take advantage of me because they think I'm motivated. Well, here's the thing. If you put yourself in a position, and it's all about positioning here as well, the inventory right now has shrunk significantly. So not a lot of people are going to be putting their house on the market right now. So if you take your house and use the techniques that I outline in my book, or what we'll go over during a listing presentation to make your house show absolutely beautifully, you've got a nice product when inventory is low. So there's not a lot to choose from. Easier to stand out from the crowd when your competition's less. You may not have that many homes competing against you. So if you have 5 or 6 comparables, it's easier to be number one on those 5 or 6 comparables versus 15 or 20 comparables. It's a little harder to get up into the top spot. So you may have a quick turnaround and you may actually find yourself getting a great price. So don't fret if you have to sell your home right now. If you do the right things, you can actually put yourself in a nice position as well. So I hope that little tidbit helps, and remember, we're in this together.